Want to live longer? Get moving. Active no matter what your weight. Hi, I'm Dr. Wright. Inactivity is twice as likely as obesity to lead to premature death. The good news? Researchers found that if couch potatoes did just 20 minutes of brisk walking a day, they could slash their risk of premature death by 16 to 30%. And that goes for both overweight and healthy weight sedentary folks. Here are 2 smart ways to get moving and keep moving. First, enlist an exercise buddy or coach. That keeps you accountable, and even a virtual exercise buddy can help, as long as you commit to checking in with each other daily. Second, invest in a pedometer and aim for 10,000 steps every day. It will remind you to keep moving throughout the day, from fitting in your workout to remembering to take the stairs at the office. Watch all our smart tips and feel your best.